I have by mistake done 3 rakats instead of 2 in a sunnah prayer. What should I do? If your intention was 2 rakat, then just sit down. Even if you are continuing your 3 rakat, just sit down immediately and continue with your tahiyat and durood upon Rasulullah, tashahud, durood, and then dua and 2 sajdas and salam. That's alhamdulillah. But if you have the intention to continue with 3 rakat, then make it 4 rakat. 3 rakats are normally witr or maghrib. The sunnah and nafil are not prescribed by Rasulullah that he ever prayed 3 rakat. So that's the only witr you can pray 3 rakat, and in maghrib you can pray 3 rakat. But if you started your namaz with the intention of 2 rakat sunnah, then I think this is the right opinion, that you immediately sit down. Like for example, you were praying Fajr, Fard prayer, 2 rakat. You prayed first rakat, you prayed second rakat, and then by mistake you stood up for the third rakat. And this is your Fajr. Fajr is only 2 rakat. So you have to, this is the correct understanding, you have to sit down immediately, continue with your tahiyat, continue with your tashahud, continue with your durood, dua, and then 2 sajdas, and then salam. Alhamdulillah. So this is the correct way of understanding. So it's the same thing you can apply for the sunnah prayers. If you have made the intention to pray 2 rakat and you stood up for the third rakat, then sit down immediately after that.